Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Xiaomi 13 Pro. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find the Notify Buddy. It's the app that allows us to get custom LED lamp notifications. Open the app when it's ready, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which we can skip. Here we can see 4 different tabs. There's a user, system, active and the settings. In user you can pick any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that we've just activated, and when we go to the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or the color. Let's click on the test button and you should see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.